He just wanted to loosen up his neck. Sitting at his desk after a long day, he grabbed his chin, twisted his head to the side, and forced a loud, crunching crack. For a few seconds, it felt amazing. 30 minutes later, his right arm started to tingle. His face felt strange, like it was sliding off his skull. When he tried to speak, the words came out thick and slurred. In the emergency room, doctors rushed him into brain and neck scans. The result was nothing like he expected. A tear in one of the arteries in his neck. A cervical artery dissection. That violent neck crack had damaged the artery wall. A blood clot formed, drifted to his brain, and triggered a stroke. He survived, but only because someone recognized the signs and called an ambulance fast. Most neck cracks are harmless, but in very rare cases, one sudden twist is all it takes for your body to glitch.